Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Dancehall recording artist I-Octane started the year with a buzz after that video was released of him. Now his fans are very worried as to what's to come based on this video that he put out recently. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and Happy New Year to you all. We'll be right back after this break.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. I want to say a Happy New Year to you all out there, wherever you are watching this video in the world. I trust and hope that the year 2021 would be a productive year for you all. As you know, last year was a very difficult year for many, especially in the music business and just the world in general, with the global pandemic and so much things happen right across the world. So I would say last year was a very negative year. So let's start the year on a positive note and just put those plans in place and actually those goals that you want to achieve. And despite the adverse effects, just push forward and you'll be successful. So what's coming up on the scoop today is the recording artist I-Octane and a recent video that he did online. Well, that video went viral and a number of his fans were actually speculating as to what really is going on with the fire ass himself. But even though many had been speculating about numerous events or occurrences coming towards the dancehall entertainer, he still maintained his composure and still continues to dominate the local music space. When you look on the comments that came after this video, many of his fans became very worried. Some even started to state that he should actually trim his locks, and there was a number of other ridiculous speculations going on around in the whole social media space. And I can tell you, it was one of those moments where I just sit back and was just watching the whole entire situation unfolding right in front of my eyes, and I was like, I don't believe that this is actually real. And I was just waiting to see what's to come, because as you know, most of the recording artists, they have developed what is known as a publicity stunt in order to gear up that momentum whenever they are about to release a song per se. And this was actually what I-Octane did, and I can tell you his fans right now, they are shocked out of their shoes. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to bring you over to my screen right now where you can have the first-hand view of a video that was posted by the recording artist himself. So let's go over to that. This is Links 007 TV. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and remember to click on all so you're always in tune, you're notified as well whenever we post new videos on this platform. This is a place where you get the best in local and international news updates in entertainment, sports, and just general things that are happening around the world. So this is a place where you get that information. So let's go over to our video right now on Links 007 TV.
Alright, people. All who follow me know me there, Phoenix. From last time, I have that energy, you know. And I say, yo, anytime I have them vibe, yeah, either something big happen. Seeing whether you want to put good at, yeah, but I just feel a vibe, yeah. I always feel a vibe, yeah. And then, I there Phoenix now. When I go through my email, I see a video coming, like an email coming. I go expose you. I need $3 million now before the new year kick in. So $3 million expose me. So I laugh. When I click on the video. Yo, woman, it's not easy, you know. It's not easy. When I click on the video, it's a girl I used to chat to record. Like she have a camera in her room and she record it, dog. So, and apparently, I don't know what happened now. She wants $3 million. But I not paying a $3 million. So I make sure I do that video before them put it out, because them say them will put it out. And me have piece of the video too. When me I go put out. I know for now about me, I say, yo, what you say, I rasta, I got dread. No, I dread long time. Footer. Wait. All of the website, them, but yo, I know not gonna beat me bad. Because I always speak certain things. But if you understand the more time a man talk certain things, he not necessarily do it, you know? So, I know. I have a $3 million and I guess 2020 is a year where something where we have hidden I come out. So I guess it's my time. So all of the people them out there, I make sure I tell you know, say this a go happen and I go put out piece of the video like maybe half an hour. I just want everybody share this so everybody see it. Saying girl I do something in the video and me I do something. Saying I know after this good have to go turn off my page or because I know I'm not going to share already. But before I make them get it off and them rare, I just rare. I could have lied about the video, you know. Because some of the angle them not really clear in it. But I not tell no lie. Because once I tell lie, it will go even worse. See? Yeah, I'm doing the video. And I do the things them. And I share do the things them. So I know the repercussions. Anyway, I share the video. And you don't know. Some may roll in my new year, so some may have to roll it in. Because, as I say, I don't have no $3 million to give nobody. See? And not exploit me. I can't own anything when I do. I may own it. Only thing I got here is some suck. Boy, I got chip, jet, red. So, anyway. Pick up on yourself. Bless.
So that was the actual video that made rounds on social media that had the fans of the recorded artist very worried. Might I say that his fans were totally convinced in relation to this video posted online, and a number of them even took to social media in order to let their voices be heard, and a number of negative comments started to circulate in online, and a number of them as well still were in doubt as to whether or not this was actually a publicity stunt or not. So as you could hear there in the video, the recording artist was stating that a female actually had a video of him and was about to release that video. So you know, with the whole major hype thing that went on recently, many might have been speculating that this might have been true based on those developments that came out last year. But with that said, the I-Octane himself spin the tables and actually released the video. And I can tell you, his fans right now, they were very shocked to see the actual video that came out. And I can tell you, they were very surprised at the whole entire development. And I must say that even his very close friends started to rang his phone and they wanted to know what was up with the Fire Ras himself. And it was just like a hilarious moment online to see how people were actually contemplating and what they were actually thinking about the whole entire situation that Ras could be involved in. Well, this was the actual video that was released by I-Octane, and it was actually a music video to promote his new single. So let's go over to the preview of that right now on our screen. So that's the video there that I-Octane actually put out, and I can tell you his fans are actually shocked to actually see that this was the actual video that came out, with the whole speculation that were going on in relation to the video itself that was supposed to be released by the female, and actually himself with the monetary reward that wanted to be placed on it of the $3 million that the female had requested. But his fans right now, they're very shocked to see that it's actually a music video, and many of them did not really think about it as a music video. So there you have it. So that was the actual video itself, and the full video is actually located on his Vivo YouTube channel as well. So it's very shocking to see that this was the actual video that came out. Many people, I would say, they are stunned at this moment to actually see that was the actual video that came out, and it was just a whole hilarious moment to see his fans online making those comments. And even at this moment, many still believe that there is actually a video out there. But this was that the artist had to say in relation to everything that was going on online. Let's go over to that.
Come on, man. Can we run some joke? You guys was waiting for some. I was kidding, man. I was just promoting my video and get you guys' attention. Can we run some joking? Happy New Year to everybody. First, big up the people that are really concerned. Read the comments, them, you know. And some that they are wait. Only one footer. We do a hard swim footer. Tell you, call me about Rasta. If something goes up, me now post the video. Can we run some joke, people? Come on, let's go and watch the preview, the video before this, and the video before this video. Come on. I only have clothes in my closet. Come on, don't do me that. Yeah. Happy New Year to everybody, huh? Yeah? Yeah, guys, me I on stage them time, so Happy New Year to everybody.
Well, there you have it. That was I-Octane himself just updating fan in relations to what really went on with the video that was supposed to be released by the female. This was just an hilarious moment for many. And as I said, the song is actually out there. The video was actually posted on his Vivo. So you can just go over there, check that video out. I can say that this was actually one of the biggest publicity stunts to date that I've seen an artist pull off for the year 2020. And I must say that this couldn't have come at a better moment when all that is going on with the whole entire situation with various artists as well. And I must say that this was actually a right moment and a right setting and a right vibe to start the new year. So bless up yourself, I-Octane. I hope that the song does really well for you, and I hope that everything goes well for you for 2020. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. You can just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about the actual initial video that was released by I-Octane, and do you believe that there was actually a video out there in the initial stage? This has been Links 007 TV. Bless up, Happy New Year. I wish for you all a productive new year, and peace out and bless from Links 007 TV.